everyone, and welcome to this Alpine Expedition Group Tour. I'm your host, Jimmy Robinson, and one of those crazy farmers. We need to tell Fred about that. Anyway, first up we have the snowmen on your right. They guard the whole place to make sure that we don't let the infected snowmen destroy the whole place. So we have the ice gem on your right, but we'll get to that later. And we have the HQ straight ahead, but we can't go in there because we have top secret information. We cannot let members of the public get access to that, just in case. But it looks like we're gonna head to our left here, and oh, okay, it looks like the sea animals are gonna try and play with us as with some kind of toy. So just hold on, everybody, until they let us go. Oh yeah, they haven't been fed today, have they? Oh, okay. I need to feed them, because that's probably why they think there's a toy. They're trying to eat it as well. There we go. Okay, now they're putting us down. Okay, right. Anyway, wait, are we heading into the Kraken Cave? Oh god, okay, I'll try and get us out of here quickly as possible. Oh my god, it's hot in here. Anyone need anything cooking for dinner tonight? Because it's very hot in here. I'm boiling. Okay, I'll just quickly go backwards to get out of here. Hold on, everybody. It's going to be quite a fast launch out of here. Okay, there we go. Okay, everyone, we're heading to the ice chamber now. So here is where we store all of our samples to test on them and make sure that they're all okay and get results out of them. And as you will see, we store many different types of ice in here. And oh, does anyone hear that? Is that the ice cracking below us? Oh god, okay, hold tight, everybody. We could be heading for a steep drop here. Oh my god, okay. Everyone okay? Okay, we're still with us. Okay. We got everyone still on board. And okay, well, for the final thing, we're gonna have, oh god. Oh, that's the evil snowman that will put us into their trap. Okay, hold on, everybody, and just make sure that you do not get touched by any of them. I do not want anyone having massive diseases after this. So just make sure they don't touch you. And yeah, we should be okay. And there we go. Okay, we should be able to get out of here now. And there we go. Okay, we're safe. Whew. That was one hell of a journey. Thanks a lot for writing, and if anyone asks, your host was not Jimmy Robinson. Take care, everyone.